Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Adobe Acrobat Sign easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Adobe Acrobat Sign. Hit the Enter key to navigate to the Adobe Acrobat Sign homepage. Once the page loads, look for the Sign In button located at the top right corner. Click on the Sign In button to proceed to the login page. You will see fields for your email and password. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, type your password in the second field. If you prefer to remain logged in on this device, check the Remember Me option. Once you have filled in both fields, click the blue Sign In button. Wait a moment as the system processes your login information. If your credentials are correct, you will be directed to your Adobe Acrobat Sign dashboard. In case you encounter any errors, double-check your email and password for accuracy. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via your registered email. Once you've successfully logged in, you can begin using Adobe Acrobat Sign to manage your documents. Explore the various features and settings available from your dashboard. Now you're ready to start working with Adobe Acrobat Sign. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.